If you woke up this morning and had a hankering for cheese, we know why and we have the perfect cure for it. Today, Howard shows us how to make a bacon and cheese lover's pie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you woke up this morning and had a hankering for Gouda or Swiss, it's no wonder, since today is National Cheese Lovers Day. Yes, an entire day devoted to every kind of cheese you can think of. Everything from the mildest ones to ones that are so potent they'll knock your socks off. So to celebrate them, we're throwing together a bacon and cheese pie that'll make any cheese lover happy. The first thing we do is grate our cheese. Here I'm using Swiss and cheddar, but if you'd rather use Munster and Jarlsberg or Havarti and Colby Jack, that's fine. Half of this goes in a pie crust, and we top that with a generous amount of crumbled bacon and some chopped spinach. The rest of the cheese goes on, and we pour on some eggs beaten with half and half and a few seasonings. This goes into the oven for about 45 minutes, and once it sets, we let it cool slightly so it can firm up. Does this look cheesy, delicious, or what? If you're a cheese lover, you almost want to dive into it head first. And whether you call it quiche or bacon and cheese lover's pie, my guess is you'll be smiling from your first forkful to your last. And as always, you can find the recipe online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easy cheesy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.